Welcome to a new video on this channel. Thank you very much for being here. If the codes to your cell phone do not arrive, you are in the correct tutorial. It doesn't matter what operator you have. It works for any mobile phone operator. But first I want to ask you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and like it. You would really help me a lot. And without anything else to say, let's start with the video. As a first step, we go to the settings of our mobile device. Being here, we are going to press in card without on mobile networks. Then we press on mobile networks. And here we deactivate the indicated option. Press next, accept and accept. We have to wait a few seconds. We do this to manually select the network to which the cell phone should be connected. Sometimes it may take a little longer to load than usual. We must be patient. Now we will look for the network to which we are connected, which is of greater power, meaning 4G or 5G. In my case, networks appear that you may not know about, because I am in another part of the world. But the solution is the same. After you have selected our network on 4G or 5G, we will reactivate the indicated option, and the problem would be solved. To check it, we must make calls to our mobile to check if the calls are already coming in case the problem persists. In the pinned comment I leave you the link to another video that I know will help you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.